Hi dancers, I'm back with version 2 of Colorful, where we add the legs. We're still going to use our arms in the same way, but we add more leg work underneath, and it's still tied to those same lyrics. So left arm, hey. Now we also lean on our left leg and pick up our right leg for a diagonal, yeah. Press that hand down, both feet are on the ground, legs are bent. We're just getting started. Stay here on this middle level as you circle your hands. Again, line 1 of version 2 is, hey, yeah, we're just getting started. Rise back up onto that left leg straight as you take. As you travel those fears across your body, you're also going to walk to your right, stepping with your right foot to the right side, left foot in front of your body, also to the right, and one more step to the right with your right. And then you can toss. If you want to add a balance on that right foot, you can. Again, line 2 of version 2 is take your fears and let them go. From here, we're going to continue to undulate our arms like we did in version 1, but we're going to also rotate our legs, turning in and turning out. So from the end of line 2, let them go. We're going to turn in and out and in and out. And you can make that sharp and robotic like I just did, or you could try to make it a little bit more smooth. So that would look like this. Go, in and out and in and out. And then line 4, we still have this symmetry of our arms. We also have symmetry in our legs. We're going to bend our legs to take a deep breath. Left arm leads in this dance. Make the world a little colorful. Pick up the same side leg as you're painting, but feel it moving in the opposite direction of your body to make the whole world like you're expressing the roundness of the globe. Make that whole world have 2 rainbows around it. So again, line 4 is bending the knees, finding symmetry. Take a deep breath, left hand. Make the world a little colorful. And let's try, that was a bumblebee visiting my colorful dance. Let's try putting that with the music. You can mirror me. I'll be facing you.
Hey, I was just getting started. Take your fears and let them go. For the lovers and the broken hearted, take a deep breath, make the world a little colorful.
And let's do that again, but I'll face away from you so you can follow me. All right, music is coming in just a moment.
Hey, I was just getting started. Take your fears and let them go. For the lovers and the broken hearted, take a deep breath, make the world a little colorful.
So I find this a little tricky to do on grass, but that's where I have enough space to show you. If you're on a smoother floor, you'll do better at rotating your feet. All right, you can work on that by yourselves. This is version 2, legs, and I'll come back with version 3 in just a moment.